Are your couch cushions flat and uncomfortable, but they don't even have zippers? Don't replace the couch yet. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to restuff cushions without opening seams. Start by removing the cushions from the couch. Check whether your cushions are foam, fiber, or a mix of both. Sometimes cushions just need a deep manual fluff. Rotate them to redistribute the filling evenly. Shake the cushion to loosen compressed stuffing. Sunlight can help expand foam and remove moisture. If cushions are still flat, you can add stuffing through the seams. Polyester fiber fill works best because it's soft and easy to insert. Look for tiny gaps in the stitching where fabric meets. Push in small amounts at a time. Spread the fill evenly so it doesn't bunch up. A stick or spoon handle helps move stuffing into corners. Check the shape after each addition. Repeat until the cushion feels firm again. Smooth the surface to remove lumps. You can also place a thin towel layer inside to boost support. Adding a foam sheet underneath gives extra lift. Light vacuum suction can lift flattened fibers. Tapping the edges helps redistribute stuffing inside. Test the cushion by sitting on it. If it's still soft, add more fill gradually. Rotate cushions weekly to prevent sagging again. Support boards can extend cushion life. Cleaning the couch base improves cushion shape too. Weak springs can also cause sagging. This method works great for maintenance and quick fixes. You can save hundreds instead of buying new cushions. See the difference? Small changes make a big impact. Give your cushion one last fluff. Place the cushions back on your sofa. Now your couch should feel much better. Do this every few months to keep cushions fresh. Let's recap the steps quickly. Fluff and rotate cushions first. Add fiber fill through seams if needed. Boost support with foam or towel layers. Maintain them regularly. And that's how to restuff couch cushions without zippers. Subscribe for more simple home fixes that save you money.